guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today when I was bored shooting vlog and I wanted to shoot something different, so I decided that I'll make Bandra haul. The things that I've shopped from Bandra long back or recently, I'll let you know everything. First thing is this velvet pant, and I actually use it like a pajama because it's kind of winters. Mumbai, we don't have winter, so but I still feel cold as my cold tolerance is not that great. So I wear this like a pajama. But I've seen people wearing this with very classy tops and it looks so amazing. And everything that I'm mentioning today is in between 200 to 600 range. Yeah, it's not more than that and it's definitely not less than that. 200 to 600 range. So you can really see how affordable Bandra is when it comes to shopping. It's the best shopping destination according to me. Second thing I would mention is these earrings. I remember I didn't buy this for the first time, and when second time I had been there, then I purchased it because I found that it was very expensive, but I realized it wasn't that expensive according to the branded stuff. So I purchased it, and the sad part is I have used this like once or twice. That's it. I haven't used it and I want to use this more often. So let's see. Next up I have is this cute fur top. I love this so much and I have wore around 2 to 3 times. This is quite a recent purchase, I would say. Okay, my recent purchase is also around a year back. I love this. I love this. I wear it under a shirt. I haven't found the guts to wear it directly on jeans, and I will someday for sure. It's nothing about what I wear and what not I wear, but this looks very hot and sexy even though the color is pink. So I'm quite moderately tall. I have mentioned it before in my videos as well. So I have to balance my clothes a lot. Else my legs look longer or my hands look longer. So no, I have to balance my clothes so that it can look properly curated. So let's see when I'll directly wear this on my jeans. Next up we have is this cute top. I love this so much, but I didn't wear it. I would love to wear it someday soon. And mummy says very nicely that muhurat nikalni padegi pehne ke liye. I'm like, yeah, when should I wear it when I am thinking this? For my body type, halter neck works beautifully, and this is kind of halter neck. And this kind of sleeveless type looks beautiful on me, so I would love to wear it soon. I hope soon, because 1 साल हो चुका है और मैंने इसको बिल्कुल नहीं पहना है, नया का नया ही पड़ा हुआ है. इनफैक्ट इस पे क्रीज लाइंस लग चुकी है फोल्ड कर करके. नेक्स्ट अप वी हैव इज डेनिम जींस, सॉरी डेनिम जैकेट. ये सबसे ज्यादा मैंने यूज किया है अभी तक. ये मेरे कॉलेज टाइम पे मैंने खरीदा था फ्रॉम हिल रोड और एल्को. आई डोंट रिमेम्बर एग्जैक्टली, बट इट वॉज बैंड्रा फॉर श्योर. एंड मुझे इतना पसंद है, और इसका क्वालिटी, ओ माय गॉड, ये ना बाकी जैसा पतला पतला नहीं, एकदम जाड़ा जीन्स का मटेरियल है. एंड दिस इज सो गुड. इतना रफ एंड टफ है, और मैं ये यूज़ काफ़ी करती हूँ क्योंकि मुझे जैसे एसी भी अगर ठंडा हुआ तो मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा ठंड लगती है, या तो कभी कुछ कपड़े ऐसे हैं कि it's not worth wearing directly into the public, so I prefer wearing this over that. So I love this. This is actually a fashion investment, seriously. Denim jeans, oh sorry, denim jacket can never go wrong. Trust me, this is a classic thing everyone must have. इसका मैं एक separate video बनाऊंगी, my fashion investments. I love this. Next up we have is this shrug coat. आई एम नॉट श्योर व्हाट दिस इज कॉल्ड, बट मैंने ये सिर्फ एक बार पहना है और पता नहीं, मुझे कभी ऐसा लगा ही नहीं कि मुझे ये पहनना चाहिए फॉर सम रीजन. आई बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, मैं ब्लैक कलर आउटफिट्स यूजुअली बहुत कम पहनती हूँ. तो जो भी मेरे पास ब्लैक कलर आउटफिट्स है वो मैं रेयरली पहनती हूँ. तो यही है कि मैं कब पहनूं और सबसे ज्यादा कम यूज वही है. बट दिस इज अ गुड लुकिंग श्रग टाइप, यू नो. नेट भी है, ब्यूटीफुल भी है और ये दिखता बहुत अच्छा है पहनने के बाद. सो आई विल सी हाउ आई विल वेयर दिस. ये काफी पुराना है वैसे, अराउंड 6 years ओल्ड. या लकीली मुझे अभी भी फिट हो रहा है और इसका मटेरियल भी ऐसा है कि फिट होगा ही होगा. थोड़ा स्ट्रेची भी है, सो लकी मी. नेक्स्ट अप वी हैव इज दिस कफ्तान पोंचू टाइप. दिस ये मुझे इतना पसंद आया था कि मैं आई रिमेम्बर कि मैंने मम्मी को जिद करके बोला था कि आई हैव टू बाय दिस. मैंने ये नहीं सोचा था कि मैं इसको कब पहनूंगी, कैसे पहनूंगी. आई डिडंट डिसाइड, बट आई हैव टू बाय. When I like something, I have to buy, and I don't see the price of it and what we say. I have to buy. Even if I don't have that kind of money, I'll save the money to buy something. You know, I'm that kind of person. If I like something, so ये एक ऐसा है. But again, black color outfit मैंने पहना ही नहीं. गिन के मैंने एक बार पहना था इसको, and काश मैं ज्यादा यूज कर पाऊं क्योंकि ये क्रोशे टाइप का मटेरियल है. और हमारे यहाँ महाराष्ट्र में वेदर, यू ऑब्वियसली नो दैट इट्स नॉट सुटेबल टू वेयर दिस काइंड ऑफ मटेरियल. इट्स बिट वार्म एंड इट्स बिट हॉट एज वेल, यू नो. सो आई शुड वेयर दिस, आई शुड नॉट वेयर दिस. This is one thing that I consider it as a fashion investment because I can style it in multiple ways, but क्या करूँ? I know for sure that even if I have to declutter this, my mommy wouldn't allow me to do this, you know. She will be like, you couldn't because you insisted to buy this. So पहनेंगे इसको very soon, hopefully. Next up we have is this maroon spaghetti top. ये मैंने काफी बार पहना है क्योंकि ये मुझे इतना पसंद है और इसका कलर, ओ माय गॉड, ये बहुत अच्छा लगता है पहनने में. एंड दिस इज अ क्लासिक टॉप, यू नो. दिस कलर कांट गो रॉन्ग ऑन एनी स्किन टोन. आई बिलीव दिस. फैक्ट्स आई डोंट नो टू बी ऑनेस्ट, बिकॉज मैंने जिसको भी ऐसा कलर पहनते हुए देखा है वो अच्छा ही दिखता है उसमें. सो दिस कलर टॉप, स्पेगेटी टॉप, एंड ये ना हैवी बॉडीज पे भी जाएगा क्योंकि अगर आप यहाँ से डिजाइन देखोगे, सो दिस विल वर्क फॉर हैवी बॉडीज, यू नो. एकदम फिटेड भी नहीं है, ये थोड़ा फ्लेयर्ड है ना. सो हैवी बॉडीज कैन वेयर, स्लिम कैन वेयर, मीडियम मॉडरेट बॉडी कैन वेयर. सो दिस इज एब्सोल्युटली मस्ट बाय. अगर ऐसा आपको कुछ मिलता है, डेफिनेटली बाय. I'll clean up this mess and I'll get back to this video. Rolling action. क्या मैं ऐसी मस्ती कर रही थी? Okay. Again, ये मैंने बैंड्रा से लिया था. मुझे ये नहीं याद है कि मैंने हिल रोड से लिया था, एल्को से लिया था, पर मैं यही दो जगह से मोस्टली शॉप करती हूँ. एंड दिस इज अ ब्यूटिफुल टॉप. एंड मैंने एक हाउस पार्टी या रेस्टोरेंट पार्टी में पहना था, एंड आई गॉट सो मेनी कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स फॉर दिस पर्टिकुलर आउटफिट. I wore it on a jeans and shoes, that's it. I didn't even style properly, you know. And this is a compliment receiver top. If you see, this is very shiny. थोड़ा close up पे देखिए, shiny. And ये अच्छा भी लगता है मुझे. इस टाइप के टॉप्स बहुत पसंद है, स्पेगेटी टाइप टॉप. सो लेट्स सी अब मैं वापस कब पहनूंगी. मैंने बहुत टाइम से ये भी नहीं पहना है, पर काफी बार पहना है पहले. सो I take this as an investment as well. इसको मैं फेंकती हूँ वहाँ. Next up we have is this skater skirt. मैंने गिन के ये बस एक बार पहना है, but इसका मटेरियल एंड क्वालिटी इतना ज्यादा अच्छा है कि आप इसको रिपीट पे भी अगर पहनोगे तो ये खराब नहीं होगा, यू नो. दिस इज स्टिल इंटैक्ट. मेरा प्रॉब्लम इसके साथ ये होता है दैट आई हैव थिक थाइज, यू नो, एंड थिक थाइज पे स्केटर स्कर्ट वो और एलिवेट करता है द एंटायर लुक. सो आई ट्राई टू स्टाइल इट इन अ वेरी डिसेंट वे, बट पिछली बार भी जो स्टाइल किया था वो काफी नॉर्मल सा था. बट पता नहीं, इसका मुहूर्त नहीं आ रहा है. मुझे लगता है कि जितने भी कपड़े पहले मेंशन किए उसका तो मुहूर्त आ जाएगा, बट इसका आना मुझे डिफिकल्टी लग रहा है. बट इसका मुहूर्त आना मुश्किल लग रहा है बिकॉज दिस इज, मैं स्कर्ट्स जल्दी नहीं पहनती हूँ टू बी ऑनेस्ट. इट्स नथिंग एनीथिंग ऑफ कि यू शुड नॉट वेयर और इट्स नथिंग लाइक दैट, बट आई माई सेल्फ don't feel comfortable in skirt most of the time. I would prefer wearing shorts but not skirt, you know. Reason is then you have to wear shorts and you have to wear skirts, so many layerings, you know. And I don't like layering, multiple layerings in outfits, you know. So देखते हैं कब इसका मुहूर्त आएगा. But this is very school type classic skater skirt, you know. I can wear it like a school young girl wife type something. I have thought कि इसको मैं एक red classic t-shirt के साथ स्टाइल करूँगी very soon. Let's see how it will look and I'll definitely post one shot. एक दो मैं इतने अच्छे से कपड़े फेंक रही हूँ but I have to clean up the mess that I have created in the bedroom. Okay. Next up we have is this classic white jeans. ये ना थोड़ा ankle length type है, काफी पुराना भी है, and I don't care whether certain styles come in the trend, you know, like bell bottoms and all, broad what we say bottoms. This is classic. This can never go wrong on any outfit, especially the flared ones, you know, flared tops. If you wear this will look so pretty. And I'm not a stylist. I have my own personal style, to be honest. I don't even follow trends blindly, you know. I wear whatever I feel like wearing, and I wear those outfits that I'm the most comfortable in because comfort shows, literally it shows. And I wear this often. If you see brown marks here and there, I tried washing it with so many stuffs, but this didn't go, and I've accepted it that white outfits are meant to be stained, you know. I love my whites, but I don't wear it often in the fear of getting it stained. Beautiful. I love whites. Okay. Next up we have is this dress. This is the only black outfit that I wore multiple times. Actually, this was a full black gown. But you know what did I do? Because I wore it for 10 years straight on every event. Every event. This is one thing of my college days, you know, teenage days. And it fits me well thanks to its material. This is around how many years old? I was 17 that time, yeah. I was 16, 17 when I bought this. And I've cut it, you know. So this has become above knee length kind of dress, and I wear it like a dress, and I also wear it like a swimming costume, you know. And this looks so good, and the material itself is like a swimming costume if you see. So whenever I'm in swimming pool or near beach or in a resort, I prefer wearing this. And I wear it in parties as well if I don't find something for myself. Last but not the least, no, I'm kidding, this is the last one. This is also one top that I've worn it so many times. This is white colored net top. This is so beautiful, you know. Whenever I wear this, again I get so many compliments. This is so classic and you can wear it in summers. This is so lightweight and this looks amazing, you know. You don't need a lot of makeup when you're wearing this with any jeans or any pant or anything. This looks beautiful. this is one top I wasn't able to get rid of when I was decluttering my cupboard. So I love this. I love this. अभी तक मेरा इससे मन भरा नहीं है. But again, I remember staining this so many times. There were coffee stains. There is still one stain here and there, and I have accepted that whites are supposed to get stained, so it's okay. I tried getting rid of it, but I wasn't able to. Who says cheap clothes cannot be good, you know? You can always get good quality clothes in Bandra actually, if you have an eye for it. And whenever you say that, oh, you are wearing cheap clothes, no. If someone says that you are wearing cheap clothes, it's not about cheap clothes, to be honest. It's about the quality that you wear and how it looks on your body, you know. There are a lot of people, including me, that even if I wear 200 rupees clothes, it looks like I'm wearing 1k rupees clothes, you know. So that's the power of your personality and knowing your body well and what suits you, what not suits you, which color suits you, which color doesn't suits you, which experiment will work better for me. So yeah, even that, okay, I'll reveal one truth. This top is around 300 rupees, you know. Okay, so it's not about how cheap or how expensive clothes you buy. It's about the quality of clothes that you invest in, and good quality clothes, it doesn't matter if it's branded, it's not branded. Good quality clothes is a good quality clothes. Sorry, I've made some mistakes in punctuation. No. Plural? No. You know, the most important thing is actually your personality, your mind, and the way you feel inside, and it literally shows outside, you know. And if these things are corrected and you're taking care of your health, you're taking care of your body, you're taking care of your mind, then this thing will culminate and it will look so beautiful that even if you wear less makeup and wear anything, you know, anything, you would be able to make cheap outfit also look very expensive because it shows up on your face, you know. So that's it for today's video. If you have watched the video till now, then comment glow, because everyone needs to glow from within. Thanks for watching, and sorry for one thing, that I wasn't able to control the noise of barking dogs and the background noise, some or the other thing. Even after sitting in a quiet room, I wasn't able to avoid things that were happening on the road itself. The voice comes still up. So even after living on the top floor. So, thanks for watching.